Just close your eyes for a moment and imagine the flavor of this cake, the zestiness of the lemon, and that little pop and crunch of poppy seeds. Like this is the cake that you didn't know that you need. But don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step in this video how to make this delicious lemon and poppy cake. You are going to love this cake. It's delicious. Hello home bakers and welcome to Dr. Mommy Cake's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious lemon and poppy seed cake. It's absolutely delicious. Here are the ingredients that you need. Full details are in the description section, so check it out below. This cake is a mixture of butter and oil, so you know that it's going to be good. So in your stand mixer or in a mixing bowl, combine the butter, which should be at room temperature, with the oil. I prefer to use sunflower oil. You can use any oil that doesn't have a strong flavor that will overpower your cake. Add the sugar and mix that all together. Next, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients in a bowl. So that is your plain flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and salt into a mixing bowl. Let me take a moment to encourage you, if you've not subscribed to my channel, to hit the subscribe button. I have loads of tutorials that will help you make delicious cake and also show you how to decorate your cake, so don't miss out. So once you've got all your dry ingredients, mix it nicely so that it's well combined and set that aside. Let's have a look and see how things are going with the creaming process. So you can see that it's very well combined and it's looking a nice pale fluffy texture with a pale color. Give it a good mix and scrape the bottom of the bowl to ensure that everything is nicely combined. Next, we're going to add the eggs to the mixture. Add the eggs one after each other and then mix to allow each egg to properly combine into the batter. That way you don't get cuddling of the egg. Once you have added the last egg, mix for about a minute until well combined. We're going to use vanilla flavouring as the base flavouring. Here I've used vanilla bean paste, but you can also use vanilla extract. I would recommend that you don't use vanilla essence as it gives an artificial flavour. So it's a lemon cake, so we're also going to use lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, to really bring a nice lemon flavour to our cake. Now we're going to add in all the dry ingredients and then we're going to mix until it's just combined. At this stage, you don't want to overmix your batter. Your batter is ready once you see that there are no lumps of flour. Next, we're going to add the other star ingredient, which is poppy seed. Poppy seed brings a beautiful texture to your cake and gives it a nice nutty flavor. It is absolutely delicious. Poppy seed is also packed with nutrient, so if you have leftover poppy seeds, you can use it in your cooking for your cereals, and it's an absolutely great ingredient. We're also going to add some lemon zest for even more lemony goodness in your cake. So this is fresh lemon zest. I've used the back surface of a lemon and just grated it to get the lemon zest. And now you want to mix it well until it's combined into the batter. I've already pre-greased my pan. If you don't know how to grease your pan, I will put my favorite method in the description section, and it's showing at the top of your screen. So put that in your pan, and also I've preheated my oven so it's ready to go. That is something you should always do right at the start of your baking, is preheat your oven. Give it a tap to get rid of any air bubbles. And let's just have one final look of our beautiful cake. You will smell the lemon flavour in this cake. And voila, here is our finished cake. You can see the poppy seeds in there, you can see bits of lemon zest, and when you take a bite, it's absolutely delicious, nice and soft. So I hope that you will try this recipe out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Happy baking!